When you're born, you can't speak. You can cry, you can gurgle, you can probably even make some noises that make your parents very excited because they think you're saying their name. But in fact, you're learning from your environment, from the people around you, from what you hear and see. My name is Suzie. I'm an accent reduction specialist as well as an ESL general practitioner. I've worked with people from 3 years old through their senior years in helping them modify their English, learn English, and improve and polish it. My sessions are very fun because there's no sense doing it if we're both not having fun. You will learn not only what to do, but how to do it and why we're doing it. We're using materials that are interesting because there's no sense going, what time is the bus coming? If you don't even live near a bus. Maybe we'll tell jokes or work on songs, all sorts of things to help you get to your goals, whether they're not embarrassing your children, being able to promote within your job, getting into a university, whatever your goal is, we'll work towards that. I've worked at top universities. I've worked in governments for military. I even worked in a kingdom. And so I've got all kinds of experience with different languages, and I would love to help you get further towards your goals. My name's Suzie.